Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Oksy Rimayana. I'm from the Faculty of Tourism and Hospitality, Padang State University. Okay, in this moment I want to talk a little about lion cloth and lion skirt. The most basic garment of clothing for Egyptian working man was the lion cloth and lion skirt. The climate in Egypt was very hot. Many words simply work naked, but the hieroglyphic of picture drawing font Egyptian symbol indicates that many men working in agriculture, wood, metal, leather, and tailoring wore a lion coat and lion skirt. Lion cloth as very simple garment is a seen beginning in Old Kingdom period. Most often it consists in a linen between wrapped around the waist with the triangular flow of material that hooked down in front of the private part. Okay guys, thank you for attention to my video. Don't forget to like. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.